Welcome to this session to familiarize you with the academic catalog. You'll see we're on the main Montreat College website. If you look under academics, there are a couple things that are very helpful here. You can see that there is an adult undergraduate calendar, and that will show you the sessions and all the dates that are important for grading and things. It doesn't include our graduate courses because their schedules vary depending on what program and what group they're with and don't have a set schedule such as this. But if you just hover over academics here, you'll also find the academic catalog. And it comes in two formats. One is you can click this and scroll through, but you can't search this one. So I prefer to download an academic catalog. You want to look at the catalog particularly from the year in which you entered your studies. It's the one you'll be held to for your graduation requirements, although some things may change and you need to adjust to those changes. For instance, if we no longer offer a specific course or something, and your academic advisor will assist you in making those modifications as needed. But if you entered in 2010, it would be good to take a look at this academic catalog as well as the current catalog. You'll see now that our School of Arts and Sciences and the School of Professional and Adult Studies are together. And here we are. We want to start with page, I think in this catalog it's page 4 or so, 5. Here you see the School of Professional Adult Studies table of contents. And so this can give you a good idea of where to go to start with. At first we'll see another example of the calendar, and you'll see that this area starts in the 250s. Admission information, it'll have student financial information, financial aid, and academic information. So we'll go ahead and we'll skip ahead to the academic area, my personal favorite. And that takes us to page 287 here. Degree requirements. So if you were getting an Associate of Science degree, you'll see these requirements. They're very close to the General Ed core for the bachelor's degrees. They're just slightly different. And so you'll see what areas you need courses in, and how we have them laid out for you, the specific courses that meet those Gen Ed requirements. And then we have this for each of our programs. So if you wanted a Bachelor of Business Administration, you'll see these. Here's your Gen Ed that you required. And then you have specific possibilities here listed, and you'll see a layout again of the courses that you would take specifically and for how many credit hours. And each major will have that listed. So that gives you a good sense of where you're at, because you can see what courses you've taken and which ones you have left yet to take before you can graduate. Let's go to page 18 to look at some graduation pieces here. For honors, this is the grade point average you would need for the graduation honors. And then we have the graduation process, and we walk you through that. How commencement works. And here's our General Ed core, specifically for all of our undergraduate degrees and the courses that go with it, with the competencies that I was mentioning earlier. Notice you have to have a minimum of a C grade for those competencies, And you also need a minimum of C in all of your major courses as well. There's a math competency, oral, reading, writing, and computer skills competency. Okay. Next we'll look at the course descriptions so that you know what the courses are that you're taking. So each course will be listed by its number, its title, how many credits it's worth, and a description. Now some courses have a prerequisite, and in that case, let me find one here. It'll be listed that way. And if it has what's called a co-requisite, that means you need to take that course and another course simultaneously, but there aren't many of those here. Here's one. Prerequisite of BS 321 before you could take BS 331. So that's something to keep in mind when you're registering. Then we'll take a look after the course descriptions. We have a directory of our administrators, faculty, and staff. So here's our board of directors. And then you'll see the cabinet members. Those are the top administrators. And then full-time faculty are listed. And then adjunct faculty for SPAS are listed with their degrees. And then finally after that will be staff listings. Right here for SAS and SPAS by campus. And then finally we have the index. And here you'll see that you can check on various specific pages for the different topics that you're looking for. So I hope this overview of the catalog was helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact us at the Office of Records and Registration.